Ecosystem. It is the community of living organisms in conjunction with non-living components of the environment, interacting as systems. Biotic jore biotic. Ecosystem needs to be studied in the following manner. Concept, components, types, functions, importance. Concept of ecosystem. An ecosystem is a functional unit of nature encompassing complex interaction between its biotic living and abiotic non-living components. For example, a pond is a good example of an ecosystem. Components of an ecosystem, they are broadly grouped into abiotic: light, temperature, water, gases, soil, wind, landscape. Biotic components: producers, autotrophs. Green plants, consumers, heterotrophs, animals, decomposers, saprotrophs, bacteria or fungi. Biotic component of ecosystem. Producers. They are autotrophs. They do photosynthesis and make their own food energy. Producer is a starting point of any ecosystem. They convert inorganic substances into complex organic food. Photosynthesis is done by green vegetation. Consumers. They eat food, complex inorganic substances. They could be herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Decomposers. They convert complex organic substances into simple inorganic substances. They are involved in recycling of nutrients. They are detritivores or saprotrophs. Note: the flow of energy in an ecosystem is always unidirectional, that is from producer to consumer to decomposer. Flow of nutrients in ecosystem is cyclic. It will rotate between producer, consumer and decomposer. Types of ecosystem: terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, transitional ecosystem. Note: ecosystems can be as small as an aquarium and as big as the entire world. Terrestrial ecosystem. Examples of terrestrial ecosystem includes tundra, Arctic and alpine zone, coniferous forest, temperate deciduous forest, tropical grassland, tropical forest, chaparral, winter rain, summer drought. Desert. Aquatic ecosystem. Types of aquatic ecosystem. Marine ecosystem. Types of marine ecosystem. Open ocean, pelagic, continental shelf water, inshore. Deep sea, hydrothermal vents. Freshwater ecosystem. Standing water, Atlantic, examples ponds and lakes. Running water, Atlantic, examples streams and rivers. Transitional ecosystem. Types of transitional ecosystem. Wetlands, estuaries, mangroves. In the transitional ecosystem, few members of the first ecosystem and second ecosystem and few new species exist together. The transitional ecosystem is also known as ecotone. Ecotone. It is a transitional zone between two adjacent ecosystems, biomes or community. Example: area of marshland between river and river bank. Mangrove forest between terrestrial and marine ecosystems. Thorny grassland between desert and forest. Estuary between saltwater and freshwater. Characteristics of ecotone. It can be natural or man-made. It can be narrow or wide. It has a condition intermediate to the adjacent ecosystem known as zone of tension. Some new species can be found in ecotone. Greater number of species can be found in ecotone. Such a condition is called the edge effect and the species are known as edge species. Importance of ecotone. It has greater variety and diversity of organisms. It provides a good nesting place. They act as a buffer zone and protect a bordering ecosystem from possible damage. For example, wetland absorbs pollutants and prevents it from seeping into rivers. It is a sensitive indicator of climate change. Habitat of an ecosystem. The habitat of the organism is the physical place where an organism lives or the place where one would go to find the particular organism. In simple words, it is the address of the organism. The habitats of different plants and animals are different, however, at the same time, many plants and animals share the same habitat. It is a nutrient-providing area. Examples: ponds, forests, grasslands, crop fields etc. Niche of an ecosystem. The term niche was first time used by Grinnell 1917 to explain microhabitats. It is the profession of organisms. The physical space occupied by the organism, its functional role in the community i.e., trophic position, its position in the environmental gradients of temperature, moisture, soil etc. and the conditions of existence. Therefore, niche is the sum of all the activities and relationships of a species by which it uses the resources in its habitat for its survival and reproduction. Niche supports only single species. It is the role and position of species in a habitat. Functions of ecosystem. An ecosystem is an open system wherein the transfer of energy and cycling of nutrients takes place. Functions of the ecosystem comprise of three important elements. Energy flow, the transfer of energy through trophic levels in an ecosystem from producers to consumers. Facilitating life processes and sustaining the food web. Nutrient cycling, biogeochemical cycle, the recycling of essential elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus between living organisms and the environment, ensuring the availability of nutrients for ecosystem productivity. Ecological succession, development of ecosystem, the process of gradual, sequential changes in the composition and structure of an ecosystem over time, resulting from natural disturbances or human influences, leading to the development of a stable and diverse ecosystem.